भी ऐलान किया गया है।
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today launched and handed over the first batch of waste collection e-vehicles to community members of various blocks in the state at Lomdatkla village, Boirambang, Ribhoi district under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma said that the local communities have always taken cleanliness seriously, and this initiative is also a call for collective action to revisit these practices, teach future generations and ensure clean surroundings in our state. He also encouraged the community members to use the vehicles to further cleanliness in their villages and work together to ensure a Swachh Meghalaya.
PHE Sri Syed Muhammad Abdulib Razi.
Today, the distribution of some of these vehicles is a great moment for us. It's one step forward once again to show that how the community and the government can work together. And if we work together, nothing is impossible.
Chief Minister Conrad K.